Hello everyone. Today's topic is the divergence of magnetic field from the chapter magnetism. The divergence of magnetic field, that means vector del dot vector B. The magnetic lines of field are closed circle around the axis of a current carrying element. This means that for the region of space, the total number of magnetic lines entering the specific region must be equal to the total number of magnetic lines leaving that specific region. We know that electric field lines emerge from positive charge and end on the negative charge. However, magnetic field lines do not have source, in contrast to the case of electric field. We can interrupt this by saying there is no net flow of magnetic field across any closed surface. That is, magnetic field has divergence equal to 0, that is del dot vector B equal to 0. This can be proved by using Biot-Savart's law. According to Biot-Savart's law, the magnetic field due to current carrying element is given as vector B is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi into integration I dl cross vector r divided by r cube. Taking divergence of both sides, we get vector del dot vector B is equal to vector del in bracket mu 0 divided by 4 pi into integration I vector dl cross vector r divided by r cube. Since it makes no difference whether we first evaluate integral, then take divergence, or take the divergence first and then evaluate integral. So we can write del dot B equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi integration vector del dot vector I cross vector r divided by r cube into vector dl. That is equal to, if we take constant mu 0 upon 4 pi out of integration, therefore we get vector del dot vector B equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi into integration vector del dot vector I cross 1 upon r square into vector dl. But vector del into 1 upon r is equal to minus 1 upon r square. Put this value in above equation, we get vector del dot vector B equal to minus mu 0 divided by 4 pi into integration vector del dot in bracket vector I cross del in bracket 1 upon r bracket complete into vector dl. Now here minus 1 upon r square, this value is put in the above equation. But according to the vector identity, del dot vector A cross vector B is equal to vector B dot del cross A minus vector A dot del cross vector B. Put this identity in above equation, we get del dot B equal to minus mu 0 upon 4 pi as it is integration in bracket vector del into 1 upon r dot vector del cross vector I minus I into del cross del into 1 upon r into vector dl. If we observe above these two terms, then it is find that the first term on the right side is 0, as current is function of source point specified by dl, while the del operator derivatives with respect to the field point, the second term, which is the curl of gradient of scalar quantity, hence it is also 0. Consequently, del vector del dot vector b is equal to 0. That means del dot b is always 0. The magnetic flux over any closed path is any closed surface is 0. That is magnetic field due to source or sink of magnetic flux. It shows that the magnetic charge known as magnetic monopole cannot exist, as the lines of B crossing any closed surface around this pole will not be 0. So from this del dot B is equal to 0, it is proved that the magnetic poles are not separately exist. Thank you.